Good morning.
Good morning.
We riding in the car right now on our way to nuCamp. We've got the tag back there. You can't see because it's super early in the morning. We woke up at like 5:30 a.m. Loaded everything up. We're on our way to get a few things tweaked before we head out on some crazy adventures. We'll tell you all about that. But for right now, the task is to get to nuCamp, their factory in Sugar Creek. But it's still dark and it's rainy. We gotta focus. Okay, so game plan right now, of course you saw that we're at nuCamp. Samantha, thank you. She is actually taking us into the factory and we're going to scope out some of the lines and just give you like a little sneak peek on some of the stuff that's going on. All right, so now you can see the tab 400 line. So kind of behind me, that's where everything starts, down there, and they slowly add on different elements, and then boom, you're here, and they start to look like the finished version of the tab 400. So I'll show you like down this way, I'll show you the beginning, and then I'll show you the end. Look at that right there. Look at these trees. It's beautiful. And if you take a sneak peek this way, you see the tag. Tag is what we got. Then this is the tab 320 right here. So it is like the step up from the tag. That is like the mom of the teardrop trailers from nuCamp. Then this is like the dad. This is the tab 400, of course, what I just showed you, and that is the biggest teardrop that nuCamp produces. Now, what is so cool about the tab 320 and the tab 400, literally, you can live in these campers. You have everything that you need. There's an indoor kitchen and an indoor shower and an indoor toilet. There is heating, cooling. There is a stereo system. You have literally everything that you could ever dream of that would be in a house that you could now take on the road with you and just adventure full time. Who doesn't want to do that? Maybe that's what we should do. That's what we'll do. We've got big adventures planned, like I'm saying. I'll keep you updated on that front because we have some super cool things that myself and Rachel are going to be doing. Stay tuned. Yo, so you saw the tab 400 line. They're looking good. Tab 400s, they're beautiful. But right now I'm sitting in front of a tab 320. This is kind of one of their model units. I'm gonna sneak inside, let's go. So the tab 320 is super cool because you get a variety of different options that you can adjust. So right now I'm sitting like in this area, which then turns into a bed when you want to go to sleep. Also, you can have a little table right here so that it becomes the mobile office. You've got your interior kitchen. You got a fridge, next level. So if it is raining, like I know on our honeymoon, when it was raining, our tag, we kind of had to sneak around and get back under the hatch. This one, you can cook at any time, any weather. Quite nice. Then, the game changer for these is the bathroom. It is a wet bath. You have a shower in here and a toilet. So like legitimately, you can go anywhere at any time. You got flexibility. You can use the toilet, the shower. There's even a little sink in here. Like, yo, you got everything that you need so that you can boondock and just live in the middle of nowhere forever. Because then you just have solar on the top, charges your battery while you're chilling out in the sun. That is the life, my dudes. That is the life. Right now we are at the Wall House. It's a local coffee shop. Of course, we had to stop, get some coffee, but also while we're here, this is a great spot. Get a little work done while the tag gets some tweaks, and then we'll be good to go. After working, hey, get back here. After working and painting, we're stopping at East Main for some good old lunch. We always love our food. That was a nice face, babe. Wow. Wake up! We've gotta go.
No.
We've gotta go pick up our tag. It's ready, babe. Well, Austin and the entire service center at nuCamp, thank you so much. You're all amazing. We just got some stuff tweaked on the tag because we're getting ready to go on a pretty crazy adventure that we will be updating you all on very soon, I promise. But now we gotta go say goodbye to some of our favorite nuCamp people. And then we're hitting the road, and we're gonna stay in the tag tonight.
Because it's just that cool.
Well, we're saying goodbye to nuCamp. Gotta hang out for a little bit, chat with some of the awesome folks here. And
you guys are all so cool.
They are so cool. They're so fun and awesome and so helpful.
I want to come hang out all the time.
And now we're actually off with our tag right there to head out and spend a night in a driveway of my in-laws. Let's go. We're officially winding down in the tag for the evening, and we're camping out in Rachel's parents' driveway. Loving it. Can't wait to be back in the tag, especially with all the nice little tweaks. However, we get everything set up, ready to rock and roll. Then we find out that the heater doesn't work. We don't necessarily need the heater, but it's like 45 degrees out tonight.
We need the heater.
We don't need the heater. We don't need it. But then we saw that this red light over there is on, and we're like, you know what? It's probably the fuse. So this is our first experience of having a fuse that is blown. We did the research, we figured it out. We just got to get another 15 amp fuse, and we're good to go. You get them on Amazon for like $3. Woo-hoo! We just got to cuddle tonight, babe, to stay warm.
Yeah.
Woo! Good night.